In this video, we are going to see how we can check the tolls in Google Maps. So let's say that we want to go from point A to point B and we want to check the tolls in between that road. So first of all, what we need to do is just make sure that you have enabled the toll and it's just not disabled in the settings. What you can do is just go to the top right hand corner on the profile icon and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says settings. Click on that and make sure to click on the navigation. If we scroll down a little bit, it will show you avoid toll roads in route options. Make sure that is not checked, that is disabled. And once we disable this, we need to mention two locations. So for the sake of example, let's mention Vancouver to Surrey, and that is 30 minutes of drive, and that might include tolls. If it has tolls, then it will mention it here, but it seems like it doesn't have tolls in this road. But if you want to see details about it, whether it has tolls or not, you just scroll or swipe up and it shows you the location of your destination point in the live view map, the traffic expected time, and wherever you have tolls, you will see a special sign with it. So you can easily identify it in the route, whether it's exclamation mark, whether it's information, or so on and so forth. Similarly, let's try another location. It's 5-hour 48-minute drive. It has tolls. So let's swipe up. And as you can see, wherever it has tolls, it is either showing that routes on with information, and otherwise it is showing it as a toll road. And if you want to see those details, the toll prices, you just click on the settings on the top right hand corner and it shows you options like avoid tolls, avoid motorways, so you can customize it according to your needs, and click on see toll pass prices. Just enable that, and once you enable this, it will not actually show you the toll pass prices on the maps, but when you get to this location, it says estimated based on the standard local pass for each toll road whenever available. So if it is available and it can manage that, it will show you the toll prices. Otherwise, it will just show you what are the toll roads nearby you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.